I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in.
Follow this diagram and make your connections. The link to the diagram is given in the description.
Baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right in, come right in.
As I've kept my eyes open, the motor will run. But after a few seconds, after I close my eyes, the motor will stop rotating. Also, a little fun fact is that if you blink multiple times, the motor will not stop running. The sensor won't get confused, but only if you close your eyes for some time will the motor stop running. Amazing, isn't it? Also, your vision too won't be impaired due to the sensor or anything like that won't happen. But we all know that the vision in a battlefield tank is very low. However, if you want to make a battlefield tank a toy one, here you go. Check out this video.